Making money with NFTs involves creating, selling, and trading digital assets on blockchain platforms. Here's how you can profit from NFTs. Create and sell NFTs. Use tools like Midjourney, Photoshop, or Blender to create digital art, animations, or collectibles. Mint your NFT on marketplaces like OpenSea, Variable, or Foundation and set a price. Promote your NFT collection on Twitter, Discord, and Instagram to attract buyers. Flip NFTs for profit. Buy undervalued NFTs from new collections and resell them at a higher price. Use platforms like NFT Calendar to spot trending projects early. Track NFT price trends using NFT analytics tools like Nansen or Rarity.tools. Earn royalties on resales. Set up a royalty fee when minting NFTs, so you earn passive income each time it's resold. Play to earn NFT games. Earn NFTs in blockchain games like Axie Infinity, Decentraland, or The Sandbox and sell them for real money. Stake or rent NFTs. Stake NFTs on platforms like Aavegotchi to earn rewards. Rent NFTs for gaming or metaverse assets for passive income.